Today's walleye boats seem to be getting bigger, and I think it's because of their versatility in fishing big bodies of water like the Great Lakes, the Dakota reservoirs. The big lakes in Wisconsin and Minnesota are great examples. Great walleye fishing in those places. The size of the boat's got to go up accordingly to give you safe boating, to be able to fish whenever you want. You're not totally at the mercy of the weather. So with big boats come big engines. This is my 400. It's about 7 feet tall. It's pretty big. 300s are pretty good size. They're all have to be that big to push the boat along at a proper speed. And when you have big engines like that, you've got big lower units, you've got big props, and you've got quite a piece of equipment there. So what I'm trying to do here is give you a tip on how it will save you money over the long run. One of the things that you need to realize with a heavier boat like this is that you have to normally drive at least part way up onto your trailer. Okay, so you'll need to load your boat that way. If you have no flexibility with the back of the boat to be able to raise the engine up, that's where the damage can occur to your prop. So this tip is actually about props. It's about saving your props. If you don't have a hydraulic jack plate that will allow you to raise that engine up, with time, I guarantee you're going to damage your prop. And in many cases, you're stirring up the gravel and even once in a while hitting a rock. And it doesn't take long and your prop will lose all of its performance. So what you want to do is make sure when you're looking at your new rig, or if you have a rig that has like a fixed jack plate on it, then you need to think in terms of going to one where you can raise that motor. Believe me, it's going to save you a lot of money in the long run, and it's going to make your fishing and boating a lot more enjoyable if you're not wrecking your equipment.